Hello. Today we are going to discuss about the part B, which is a group discussion. My name is Mazlin binti Malik. You can call me Mazlin.
My name is Nur Nadira bin Zaimi. Just call me Nadira.
My name is Melissa Fu. You can call me Mel.
And my name is Azrin Afifah. You can call me Azrin.
Okay, we need to answer about about five questions. The first question is, what interests you most in this photograph? Okay, what interests me?
Wait. What photograph does you choose?
I choose the pictures of the bridge. Okay. Okay. What interests me about this photograph uh, is because it gives us double meaning. When I first see the picture, I only saw the pictures of the bridge, but when I focus to the picture, it is usually the pictures of the parasailing boat that line up in one lines and become bridge, pictures of bridge.
Sounds interesting.
Yes. Okay. Next question. How would you describe this painting to a person who could not see it? Uh, to see the actual meanings of the picture, we need to focus on what the artist trying to show to us.
That's true.
Right. Okay. At first, when I saw this picture, I only saw the pictures of the bridge. But actually it is pictures of the parasailing boat that line up and becomes the pictures of the bridge. It sounds interesting, right?
Yes. Very interesting.
Okay. Next question. What do you think is going on in this picture, and how did you arrive at that idea? Mm, I think what's really going on in this picture is that it is actually the groups of parasailing boat that travel together and form a line up, and maybe the artist saw the picture and he start to draw the the bridge. It is very interesting to see the pictures because actually I like the pictures of the ocean, so that's why I choose this picture. Next, question number 4, right? In your opinion, what message is the artist trying to convey? In my opinion, what artists try to convey in our daily life is we need to focus on what we are going to do, on what we are going to see. Don't try to judge people by its appearance, by its cover. By looking, okay. Same with this picture. At first, when we saw this picture, we only see the pictures of bridge, right?
Yes.
But at second time, when we really focus on the picture, it is actually the pictures of parasailing boat. Okay. And the last question, what title will you give to this art? What made you decide on that title? Okay, I choose the title for this picture is the ocean trick. It is because the trick that artist use when he draw the picture is very interesting. Okay, next, let's Nadira discuss.
Okay. The photograph that I choose is the photograph of apple.
You mean same?
Yeah. Okay.
Me too.
Okay. For the first question, what interests you most about this photograph? I choose this picture because the picture of apple slice with the
It was cut into
ah
few slices.
yeah, it's apa, I feel that's the picture is so creative. It's really creative for me lah. Okay, for the second question, how would you describe this painting to a person who could not see it? I think the picture I choose is not so difficult to understand. Everyone could see the picture clearly.
Yes.
Then the picture the artist want to show is the balance in life, because the apple is quite balanced.
Because I
Is it
see the
orange?
pictures of tables at the end of
Yes.
the apple,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay. For the next question, what do you think is going on in this picture? How did you arrive at that idea? The first impression when I see the picture, I only see the balancing. The apple is cut in balance. So I think everyone who see the picture would also think the same.
Yes.
It's not so difficult. Yeah. Okay. How did you arrive at that idea? Mm, uh, when I see the picture, the idea that come out is just the balancing. We could not think others because the picture describe clearly about that
Balancing.
balancing. Okay. For the fourth question, in your opinion, what message is the artist trying to convey? In my opinion, the artist trying to convey everything we do in our life, we need to balance. For example, when we are studying, we need to balance when we study and when we want to sports or maybe
Fun.
fun.
time,
We need also divide our time by curriculum activities. Okay, next. The last question. What title would you give to this art? What made you decide on that title? For this photograph, I would like to give balance in life because
Interesting title.
when
I think we have the same title.
because we can also think about that that's the suitable title for this photograph, right? That's all from me.
Okay, for the first question, what interests you most about this photograph? Okay, I have choose the photograph about an apple, and it is same with that.
Yeah.
Okay, I choose this photograph because I think the painting is very creative, and I saw something different in that picture. Okay, next, I also think that the color very attractive because it is red.
I love red.
Symbol of bravery. Okay, next question. How would you describe this painting to a person who could not see it? Uh, for me, it is not so hard to see the meaning of this picture because we see the apple was cut into a few slices, then it was arranged in very neatly. Then at the top of the apple there is a ball, small ball, and it is symbol of balance. Okay, what do you think is going on in this picture, and how did you arrive at that idea? Okay, what I think the apple was cut into a few slices, then it is arranged into a few pieces. That means that balancing is important in our life. Okay, then I feel that it is not so hard to get the idea because it is straight to the point. Simple. In your opinion, what message is the artist trying to convey? Okay, I think the artist want to tell us that balance is important in our life. For example, we have to balance in our study, like Nadira said just now, and also in our daily routine. For example, entertainment or involved in sport. Okay. So, what title would you give to this art, and what made you decide on the title? Okay, I also give the title of this photograph about balance in life because
We have the same
yeah, we
title.
have the same title. Okay, because I think this is the most suitable title for this photograph because it is related to each other. Uh, that's all from me. Okay, next.
Okay, so good evening, madam. My name is Azrin Afifah, and I am the last person in this group. So, what interests me most about first, I have chosen the picture of a sailing boat, like my group member Mazin. I think what made me interest on that photograph is first time I saw that photograph, I clearly see that there are about six sailing boat are sailing. But then when I see it through very carefully, I can see a bridge, a blue bridge, um, that form when we see it very carefully. So I think that's the
It is interesting.
yeah, that's interesting because we rarely found a picture with
There's two pictures in one
yes,
picture.
two picture in one picture. So um I can describe this picture to people who can't see it with um I can say that the picture shows a sailing boat, but at the same time shows a bridge, and the bridge formed because of the color of the sail of the boat is white, and then the cloud is white, so that the gap
The arrangement of the sailing
yes,
boat.
the arrangement is also very influence the forming of the bridge. Yes, and then um, what do I think is going on in this picture is I think the picture have double meaning, just like Mazlin said, and then because of that, at my opinion, I think we can assume that everything happens is
Reason.
for a reason. Yes, for a reason, because we can see it with um, our regular day. How can I say? Just like you can see it. If we don't pay more attention, we can see it. So
Focus.
yes, we need to focus. And what message the artist is saying is like I said before, this picture have double meaning. So, in my opinion, we should see things more carefully so that we can see the beautiful part of something happen to us. It's like in this picture, we have to see it clearly so that we can see the beautiful bridge. And what title would I give to this art? I think as I see more and more, I've thought that I will give it the title is the Hidden Gate, because I love the concept that we have to pay attention so that we can see the magical gate.
It's awesome.
Okay, so that's all from me, I guess. And so, um, do you want to add something?
I enjoy.
The picture, all of the picture is very interesting. Yes.
Interesting.
But some of them makes me
Confused.
Yes, like
What?
the one with the chair, white
Ah.
chair. I
Ah,
don't
the
know what
one
is the
you cannot-
meaning of it.
Like the balloon.
Oh yeah, the balloon and like tree. This is very interesting too.
I don't see. I find. I cannot find the idea.
Maybe we
of
can
picture.
see, we can know the meaning after this presentation of
Ah.
friend will tell us. Okay, so madam, that's all from our group. Thank you and good.